someone is way out of kilter, you might, ask for more specific examples, or the chair could ask for more specific examples to see why this, if the reliability hovered around the same ones, then that would be a way of addressing the concern that people may see it differently.
Okay.
Well, ultimately, that has to happen anyway, because we can't give him 9 evaluations. We have to give him
Right.
1.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Hopson, Lauren?
Just in listening to this, Dr. McIntyre, I completely agree with all your concerns. I agree with your concerns that there's not a specific rubric for different parts of this, I guess for all the indicators. I agree that it can be kind of subjective. I also agree that you should have an opportunity to present evidence if you disagree with your evaluator's score. I would just like to say that I would also think that those luxuries should be afforded to our teachers, because right now there's 2 places on that rubric, the 2 and the 4. There is no specific guidelines for how to meet those. It's completely subjective. Our evaluations are subjective based on who's evaluating them. And then when we do our scores, the evaluator comes with a score, and no matter what we get to put in as how we've evaluated ourselves, the score of the evaluator always goes. I had a specific situation the first time I was evaluated where I had the evidence proving that I deserved a certain score. And I gave myself a 5, my evaluator gave me a 3, and I said, well, let's split the difference, because she had a different interpretation. It didn't happen. I think those things should absolutely happen for you, but I think in order to do so, those things need to be happening for our teachers as well. Thanks.
Just, if I may ask, just for clarity, because I believe I know the answer to this question. I just hope we all have the same answer to this question. We're talking about this instrument being used for the 2015-16 school year and beyond, right? So when, because I've got an evaluation, we have an evaluation process coming up in the fall that speaks to the period of 2014-15, and we'll still be using the old process for that. Is that correct? Since
That's what I
all right,
understand.
all right, and then we'll start using this one moving forward. Okay.
Yep.
We didn't really, we've kind of left the timetable in place and those other components, like